Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Premier League Team of the Seasons, how to earn TOTS point and claim rewards in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new to this game, still confused how you can charge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the new event, the Team of Season. So jump in the second chapter, Premier League. So in this Premier League chapter, all you have to do is play these skill games, Premier League training. For the first, you have to claim this free Premier League point progress, 5 points. And also there is a skill games. There are some skill games, 3 total. So you can earn point progress and play this match. I recommend you play this one because you get a 30 point progress. So you have to earn 50 point progress to complete this TOTS point. After you earn TOTS point, you can spend the point to win a reward. So for example, you can claim one of the pack or the reward, and then the new path will open. As you can see, I took the bottom path. So please spend wisely. You have to be smart to spend your TOTS point A. It's still low because I don't have enough a point here. You need 50 point or 80 point or 70 point to open next path. And the top is you can get wonder kit for Manchester United, Kobe Maino, defensive midfielder, and also striker Aston Villa, Jared Bowen. And the last one, you can rank up your player. Use this Javier Mascherano with OVR between 90 and 99. Very valuable. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. Enjoy the game.